Hi, fellow armies. Come spend a moment with me, Moana. I am unboxing this very exciting item right here, and I'm so happy that I got this. And shout out to my sister's boyfriend who got this as a gift for me. I'm so grateful. So grateful. It's the version for BTS Light Bomb, or Light Stick, I should say. I am so excited. Okay, so let's unbox this. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I'm so excited, that's why. Wow! Wow. Wow. Yeah, this is legit. So that's how you open it. I don't have any of the attachments, no cradle. But yeah, it's just interesting. I never knew that that could come off. It just snaps on. It's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Okay, so let's put some batteries in. Oh, sorry, hold on before I do that. Let's continue unboxing. We have the instructions, the manual. I'm so happy, you guys. I'm so happy. Yes, ARMY. Yes, BTS. Apo Bangpo. Yes, pouch. And then the... I had to figure out where to... It's here. I will do this later. What else is here? Photo card. I'm so happy. Okay, yep. So that's it. Light stick, tag, strap, photo cards. 김남준, 김수진, 민용이, 정호석, 박재민, 김재영, 전정국, BTS. And love. They're all so 잘생겼어. Yay! I'm so happy. Okay, so I took some Korean language lessons online on Preply. However, I did not get to learn how to say happy. Happy. 저는 happy예요. No, I know that there's a way to say happy, but I have to learn that because I am so happy and I love them so much. And I had to cancel my Korean lessons for now. Okay, let's get some batteries in. So I'm back with 3 AAA batteries. I should get my special edition light stick. Let me go get it. I'm back. I do have the special edition light stick. And then this is version 4. The box is... This one is wider. But this is more taller. There's batteries in here, so you can hear that. It's not broken or anything. Okay, so press and hold. So this is button 1. And this is button 2. So it says to press and hold the button 1 to turn it on. Okay. Okay, this is in basic mode. And to change the LED color, Press button 1 while the product is on. Button 1, button 2. This is to change the colors. Wow. Oh, wait, I just loved that. So pretty. And I love the, look at that. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but it's different colors on the bottom here. And then this, oh gosh, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's different colors on the bottom, on the base. That's so pretty. And then color shaking. Okay, press and hold 2. Button 2. Okay. Wait, I'm so confused. Hold on. Okay. There we go. I see. So you have to press and hold it. You can let go and then you can shake it without pressing any of the buttons. Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Yoongi, Jung Hoseok, Park Jimin, Kim Taehyung, Jung Jungkook, BTS. Okay, and then to go back to the basic mode, you just press and hold it one more time. And then you're just in the basic mode. Wow. And then if you're in basic mode and you click on the button 2, it does different effects. Wow. I just love everything about this. 감사합니다, BTS. 사랑해요. Love you guys. Love you too, fellow armies. So excited, so happy, all the feelings, everything. So this is version 4. And then this is the version 3. I don't have batteries in it, but I just love it. Okay, turning that off. Could this come off? Pull? No, I'm not gonna do that to the special edition. I do have that sticker there, but I wish there was a cradle for this one or something. Let's try to put on the strap. Okay, so all that's left is either the bag, the light stick bag that they are selling, but I'm hoping that I'll just get it at the concert. Hopefully they have the pop-up merch tents, or at some point before the concert, I'm hoping that I will get the little, I know there's armies out there and they make their own merch. They create it, so talented. And there's like this one that's a cross bag and you can put it in its pouch and you can strap. Anyways, I don't know if I'm gonna get that, but I do want one. But if I don't, it's totally fine because I'll just put it in the pouch or the bag. Thank you guys for watching with me. I know I unboxed the vinyls. If you want to go ahead and watch that, you guys can do so. Tip, I do take out the batteries and I do not leave them there because if, of course, you leave in the batteries, the residue, it's not good. So thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.